Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the one reliable method, a third-party dual-pane app. Open the App Store, search for Split Browser or Dual Pane, and pick a well-rated app. Install it, then grant only the permissions it needs. Once done, launch the app and tap the new window or split icon. This creates two active panels. You do this because iOS does not offer native multitasking split screen on iPhone. The app simulates two apps in one interface. Now configure both panes so they behave like real split screen. In the left pane, load the site or service you need, then do the same in the right pane. Make sure to resize using the center handle to balance visibility. Some apps let you set a 50/50 or 60/40 split. Once set, sign into separate accounts if you want independent sessions. Because the app hosts two browser engines, you can copy text between panes or drag links to finish, save your pane layout, or create a shortcut inside the app for fast reopening. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so panes stay logged in when you switch away. If something goes wrong, force quit the split app and reopen it. That clears hung processes. If the split feature still misbehaves, update the app or reinstall it and verify iOS is supported. Remember, this is a simulated split, so app limitations depend on the developer's implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.